Yeah, it's another rainy Sunday. Just like how last Sunday was raining. But for like the first half, for like the first part, it was raining that morning. And then it magically stopped. And then I sold my car right out. Damn, this shit coming down. Oh, it ain't coming down as bad as it looks. Maybe because the cars ain't kicking it up like they once was. It's cloudy enough for the street lights to still be on. You gotta go in because the street lights are on. You gotta be in before the street light come on. I remember one of them days. Your curfew some street lights. When the street lights come on, you get your ass in the house. Yeah, they pulling their house right behind. Cool shit. Got them a generator. Pretty cool shit. I should have fucking jumped off. Again, traffic is a bit more than what it normally be for a Sunday morning, especially around this time. It's a lot of people trying to get a start to their Sunday, I guess. Oh, somebody crashed. They look like on the other side. And y'all ass slowing down for that. Y'all just being nosy now. Now y'all just being nosy. Damn, that's fucked up. Them two buses we passed way back there just passed us. Them two slingy buses. All because y'all ass wanna be looking. Damn. They fucked that Grand Prix up. They had to cut them out. Damn. I'm finna keep y'all. That's a Malibu. They go law-breaking state boys. I wonder if this rain gonna do like I did last Sunday. It rained on this part of the highway, but when I jumped on the other highway, it wasn't even raining. It wasn't even doing a drop. Damn, somebody lost car parts right here too. Yeah, I just been playing bumper cars all night or some shit. Damn, the 128 finna have plenty of buses today. 3 already. But anyways, I catch y'all in the next video. As always, stop snitching. Stay dangerous. comment, subscribe. Yeah, we just gonna have a good Sunday. Good rainy Sunday. So I catch y'all on the next one. Is out.